LUVIN Hair is a company I found on AliExpress, and this is going to be, I think, my third wig from them. And they've always sent me good wigs and stuff. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be installing my wig on camera just to show you guys, easy, simple, or like quick techniques that I use to install my wigs, and they still come out, nice, decent, or whatever. I'm not perfect, but it looks good. So I'm gonna go right ahead to start my install. So of course you need a wig. So I did go ahead to wash the wig, and there's nothing on it right now. This is just how it looks naturally, like no conditioner, nothing. I just washed it and cut the lace, and this is what it looks like. And when I put it on my skin, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's what it looks like. Next item that I have here with me is a pair of scissors, a rat tail comb, I think that's what it's called, an edge brush or whatever brush you use for your edges. I just use a regular toothbrush because it's soft and it just works better for me. And I have a wax spray. This is the regular freeze blast and freeze spray from Got2b also, and this is what I am going to be using to glue my wig. I'm going to be needing some rubbing alcohol, a spray bottle. I have my old foundation here just in case I am going to be putting that inside of my lace. I have a slick stick sounds weird. I also have a blow dryer and my hot comb over here. And lastly, I just have this pink it's like a towel but a cloth, I don't know how to call it, but I just use it to like clean my edges and wipe my hands when they get sticky and all of that. I also have this little head tie thing. I am going to be using it to tie down the lace, to just you get what I'm saying. But yeah, let's get right into installing this wig. All right guys, so I already have my hair in cornrows. If you do not already have your hair in cornrows, please try to get your hair looking somewhat like this, because it's easier to install your wig when not easier to install, it just makes your wig like sit on your head flat. That way it's not like bulky on one side or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead. I know a lot of people actually use a wig cap. I'm not the wig cap person, but I'm just looking this way because my mirror is right here. I do have a small one here, but I just prefer. Okay, let's see. I am going to take the wax, the spray wax. It's a Got2b spray wax, and I am going to spray on the front of my hair to get all the edges. And with the toothbrush, I am just going to brush it back. Guys, I'm only using this spray wax because I don't have any more of the Got2b glued, which is the black gel. No, it has like a, what is it, it's a black container and it looks like a tube or whatever. Like, I'm gonna put a picture of what I'm saying on the screen so you guys have an idea what I am talking about. If you do have that, that would be the best thing to use right now. But this is going to have to do the spray bottle on just one side of the towel right here. I am going to put some rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna close that up because I do not want it to dry out. Okay, I'm gonna take that and I'm just going to clean around where my wig is going to be sitting. just to speed the process up. All right, so next I'm going to take the Blast and Freeze spray, and I'm just going to spray on where I want the wig to be sitting. So, which is like not on top of my edges, but you know, like in front of it. Like, okay, I'm just gonna put the wig on halfway like that, and then roll it back. Okay, like that. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, I'm gonna put another layer. All right, so now I am going to start drawing the areas beat by beat. That way it's not just all, I don't know. I just feel like it's easier that way when I start gluing from one side to the other, or from the middle and then go this way and then go that way. The lace up, lift it, and set it where I want it to be sitting. You just have to check to make sure that it's sitting where you want it to sit. If not, you could pick it up and move it over. Okay, I think that side is okay. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Just pick it up and set it where you want it to sit. Again, just to keep the hairs away from, you know, going places that I don't want it to go. This area is still tacky, that's why the lace keeps lifting, but that's okay because you can always go back in and add in some more got to be. Rub it in. Okay, it looks like this side is giving me a lot of problems, so we're just gonna, you know, keep going and hope that it comes out good. Okay, I'm just cutting the, like, I'm gonna pat the hair like in the front. That way I only have a little bit of hair out like that. You guys are gonna see why in a little bit, but okay, now that I have that area separated, I'm going to just hold it together in the back. Same thing for over here. Okay, now I'm going to take the Blast and Freeze spray and just spray in that area right there. I'm spraying it on the lace. I'm not spraying it on the hair. You do not want to spray it on the hair. You want to spray it on the lace. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, with my head tie, I'm going to take this and I am going to tie it down. I'm going around it with my blow dryer just to speed up the process a little bit. I'm just gonna let that sit for a couple of minutes, you know, like about 10 to 15 minutes while I do everything else that I have to do, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay. I'm just looking to see if I do need to do some plucking, because this part looks like, you know, it's not given. So I'm just gonna pluck what I feel like I need to, or where I feel like there needs to be some more plucking done, especially on this side. Like this side, it's just all types of. By the way, guys, when you do pluck, you know, some hairs while the wig is already on your head, try to like hold it that way it doesn't like lift or pull your edges or whatever. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I am just doing right now. Hopefully I do not over pluck. Okay, I'm just gonna do around here like that. Guys, if one side of the hair is lifting, that's okay, because you can still go back in to put some blasting spray. I mean some blasting free spray, you know. The final step for, you know, gluing the hair, which is just going around with some more Guts to Be. I'm just putting this around the lace. Guys, I'm just going in with this sleek stick, that way it lays flat. Before you do this, guys, you want to make sure that the hot comb is a little bit warm, not as hot as, you know, it was. That way you don't burn yourself. Okay, I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna go in again with the rubbing alcohol just to get, you know, excess glue or whatever. That way it's not just white or sitting around. All right, now that I am done with that, I'm just going to, you know, try to clean up a little bit, pack up whatever. And the next step is to take some foundation or concealer, whatever you're comfortable using. I'm just using an old foundation that I used but never finished for the middle part, which is like right here. And whatever is left over, I'm just gonna go around, you know, where the lace is, just like guys. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the whole entire hair with some water, and I am going to put in some leave-in conditioner. I actually like how the hair is coming out, guys. I think it's coming out good. I'm gonna turn on the flat iron just because I feel like I need this part to be a lot more like sleek. It's not sleeking as, you know, or I think it's good actually. Okay, I think that looks better now. What do you guys think? Definitely looks better. Okay, now on the edges, I'm gonna cut some. Guys, just play around with the edges, that way, you know, you see what looks better or how you want it to look, and you could fix it if it doesn't look the way you want it to look. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I think I am satisfied with what it looks like, and yeah. If you guys have other tips, you know, to help me, you know, get better at installing my wigs, please let me know in the comment section. I would very much appreciate, you know, the comments and constructive feedbacks. All right, guys, we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.